The first crucial step to mastering batch leads is setting up your account. Navigate to the Batchleads website and look for the sign up or login area. If you're new, click sign up and follow the prompts to create your unique login credentials. This usually involves entering your email address and choosing a strong password. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Batchleads dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main sections. You'll typically see options for Directo Consumer or DTC leads, Directo Market, or DTM leads, a powerful search function, and a space for your saved lists. To begin building your targeted lists, the search feature is your best friend. Click on Search to open the lead filtering interface. Here, you can define your ideal leads by region, specifying zip codes or drawing custom areas on a map. Dive deeper by applying specific filters. Batchleads offers a wealth of options like targeting high-equity homeowners, absentee owners, or even vacant properties, perfect for identifying off-market opportunities. Explore filters like pre-foreclosure, inherited properties, and age of ownership to hone your search even further. As you apply your desired filters, Batchleads will generate a list of potential leads. Review this initial list and use the Save to List function. Give your new list a descriptive name like My First Targeted List or Absentee Owners Dallas, so you can easily access it later for your marketing campaigns. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your account and created your first targeted lead list on Batchleads. Now you're ready to leverage these powerful insights for your real estate marketing efforts and begin generating valuable leads.